Let's make this citrus candle together so that you can bring the summer vibes into your home any time of the year. When you make this month's recipe, you'll go from having toxic candles to having an all-natural candle that you know you can trust. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's get started with this month's recipe box. This month's recipe box theme is candle making. So grab your August essential oil recipe box and your big bonus box, and let's find which recipe we're gonna make first. We are gonna make a citrus candle recipe. So in this recipe, it says you are gonna need your DIY candle kit. You're also gonna need your sticker sheet, your Grapefruit Essential Oil, your Wick centering tool, and a 1 ounce jar that you can get from your home, or you can go to Hobby Lobby or one of the crafting stores to find something fun. I'm gonna use Simply Earth's 1 ounce glass jar. All right, let's get started. The first step is you're gonna wanna open your candle making kit and you're going to find your wick and your wick sticker. It's gonna be buried in your wax in a little baggie like this. All right, we're gonna take our wick sticker and our wick out of our bag. The wick sticker is basically double-sided tape. So you're going to take off the outer sticker on both sides. So it might be easier for you to take off the outer sticker on one side, apply it to the bottom of the wick, and then take the other side off. All right, now that this guy is extra sticky, I'm gonna grab my jar and I'm gonna insert the sticky side in the middle of the jar and then adhere it to the bottom, just like that. All right, now we're gonna put our unopened bag of wax into the microwave for 2 minutes. You'll wanna make sure that the wax is all the way melted because we're gonna pour the wax into our jar. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 2 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, now that this is melted, I did put it into the microwave for 2 minutes exactly. I am gonna put my essential oils in. So we are gonna put 15 drops of grapefruit, and I'm just gonna kind of swirl it around in there to get it evenly incorporated. You could also stir it at this point with a little spoon. I think it's working really well, just kind of swirling it around for me. Next step, you are going to thread the wick through your little tool. I'm gonna use the middle one. You can use whichever one you want. This is gonna allow the wick to make sure that it's being centered and also so that it's sticking straight up. All right, now I'm going to very carefully pour in the wax. Make sure you don't bump it. I just bumped mine a little bit, so I'm gonna just recenter it. Now that this guy's a little more cooled off, I did trim a little bit of the wick, but I realized that it wasn't all the way dry, so I let it dry a little further, and I'm gonna show you how much of the wick you should be cutting off. I'm gonna have mine to just about the top of where the jar ends. I also added my label. I think next time I'm gonna put it on the top. You can make this citrus candle at home too. Let's test it out. I absolutely love it. The grapefruit in the candle is super citrusy and it just makes me super happy. I love to see your creations on social media, so go ahead and tag from Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all your beautiful candles that you guys make too. The Simply Earth recipe box makes making all natural products just like this super easy. Go get yours today.